February 10th, 2026. And we're gonna go over NASDAQ's review today in my trade I took today. Um Trade's on the screen right now, it's on my YouTube posted. So if you want to go look at what I'm talking about today and the trade I took, it's right here. And I give my little description of it. Honestly, first I'm just gonna go over it. So coming down here, we have a SMT, so sorry. NASDAQ took out these lows, these 830 lows over here. And ES did not. So we have a bullish SMT at ES lows. Then NASDAQ actually comes back down right here, takes out this low again, creating another SMT with ES. So it's a double SMT, essentially. Then price rallies higher, we create a CSD here. I see this inverse fair value gap right here, or this fair value gap right here that I was pretty sure is going to be inversed. It's also a suspension block. So I was like, all right, cool. I think we're going to go retrace into it. Inevitable model. I literally had 10 orders waiting right here. Doesn't get tapped by a tick. Then price rallies, and I'm like, damn, bro, I really didn't want that. It really didn't want that inverse fair value gap. There's also a 30-second for double fair value gap when we entered the top one, and we stayed in that one, and then we also entered this inverse right here. I guess I should have seen this inverse. Forgot this would be an inverse as well. So we did want an inverse. So I guess the inevitable model did end up playing out. I just saw that. Um, um, then price starts rallying. I'm noticing this. So we get above right here, close outside of first presented for rally gap, come back into it, enter right here, and then we rally straight to those highs. Relative equal high. This is the high right here. There's relative equal highs with this high right here, and then there's a high up here. So I just ended up taking profit a little bit above this high because I knew we were going to sweep this high. And that was the trade. This is essentially the highs I was aiming for. So this high right here, and then this relative equal high slash relative equal high, and then this high over here. This is the last high I could see before. If price wants to rip, it's gonna rip. Because there's nothing else until up here at these relative equal highs. So price is either gonna go all the way up here, which is 21 points on ES, or, which is more likely in my opinion, is we're going to come back and take out 830 low, which is at just 30 points, but I don't know. Maybe it does want this high sign. Who knows? I'm not really worried about it. Damn. See how quick these videos go when I just fucking set them up. I'm done explaining my NASDAQ review now. Alright, this is ES review, I guess, not even NASDAQ. Let me show you. Don't mind the messy chart. Yeah, I literally had that shit marked out. So, like I said, NASDAQ comes back down, takes out this low. On ES it doesn't. So like double SMT, I guess. And this is the 830 low that NASDAQ took out with the SMT. And then we just start rallying and rallying. I don't know what we're gonna do the rest of the day, to be honest. That's beyond me. This huge fucking bearish area, I think we just want to climb. That's what it's looking like so far. Just climb, climb, climb. It's gonna end up getting up here. Alright, well, that's it for today. I hope y'all learned something. Hope you enjoyed. I'm only up 300 on the day. Pretty midday. I was literally measuring it. I wanted to risk 500 today because I felt like today was going to be a good day, as it was. So, risking 500 for my entry. Alright, so all things perfect. My entry and exit would have been. So, saying I knew this is the inverse. Enter at this inverse. Stop loss. here. Dude. That's a tight stop though, to be honest. I probably would have at least had my stop here. So 15 or 16 cons. Oh shit. I'm not gonna, yeah, so 16 cons. Realistically, I probably would have just done 15. 15 is a good amount. Um, and then my take profit would have been up here. Dude, that's absurd. That's absurd, my guy. My take profit would have been like right here. I would have been at 1.2. Dude, I literally would have been so close to passing my account today if I would have just got filled. But unfortunately, I did not recognize market conditions and did not enter on the inverse for value gap that we did enter. And reject off of. So that's 100% my fault. It was a better trading day than yesterday, but today was actually great because I called out. Like I saw 830 lows. I said, okay, these are gonna get taken out. Nasdaq goes down, takes them out. ES doesn't. Perfect. An SMT with a news data low, baller. Then another SMT on the 1 minute, baller. Then we just start rallying and fucking take out relative equal highs. Today was so bread and butter. So bread and butter. And now we're dumping. See, literally, what I just say? What did I just say? I just said we might come back down for these 930 lows because we still have an S&T on Nasdaq with this high. That's beautiful. If we come down for this 830 low, it'll be amazing. Nasdaq's gonna be the asset we want to trade, even though ES is the one that needs to take out the 930 low. Nasdaq, I don't know actually, because we have this huge rejection block, so we might just come down and then rally higher, honestly. But this looks like a good sweep. Internal to external lows? No way. If I come all the way down here. We could, because I think there's relative lows on ES. I thought that, yeah. Damn, bro. I said Nasdaq was one to fucking. Nah, ES might be good here. Damn. Alright, I'm gonna end the video there. I hope y'all learned something. Hope y'all enjoyed. I'll see you tomorrow. Deuces, y'all.